Sum number 4. 4. X minus 3 2x plus 1. X minus 3 2x plus x minus 3 2x plus 1, that is equal to x into bracket x plus 5, x plus 5. Correct? We have to solve this polynomial first of all, and then we have to decide कि which type of this equation. सबसे पहले इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद जो पोलिनोमियल आती है वो पोलिनोमियल कौन से टाइप की पोलिनोमियल है वो बता के हम लोग बता सकते हैं कि इक्वेशन कैसा है. तो डायरेक्टली लिख रहा हूँ 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3, that is equal to x square plus 5x. 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 this. Therefore change the side of both. 2x square minus, first of all ये right term 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square 1x square minus 5x minus 10x minus 3, that is equal to 0. x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. कैसी पोलिनोमियल है? क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल. Since x square minus 10x minus 3 is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. Correct? ये quadratic polynomial equation कैसा हो गया? Therefore given equation, which equation given? x minus 3 2x plus 1, that is equal to x into x plus 5 is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Fourth complete. Fifth 2x minus 1 x minus 3. 2x minus 1 x minus 3, that is equal to x plus 5 x minus 1. 2x minus 1 x minus 3 x plus 5 x minus 1. करेक्ट? क्या करना है? पहले इन दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई करना है, इन दोनों का ब्रैकेट ओपन करना है, फिर राइट हैंड साइड में से सबको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लाना है, फिर पोलिनोमियल कैसी बनती है वो चेक करना है. करेक्ट? 2x into x 2x square 2x into 3 6x x into minus 1 x plus 3, that is equal to x into x x square x into minus 1 minus x plus 5x minus 5. Clear? 2x minus 6x minus x plus 3 x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. Therefore 2x square minus 7x plus 3, that is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. साइड चेंज करनी, सबको इधर ले आना है. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. सबकी साइड चेंज कर दी. 2x square minus x square 1x square minus 7x minus this minus 11x plus 8, that is equal to 0. Which type of this polynomial? देखो बताओ. Yes, quadratic polynomial. So since x square minus 11x plus 8 is a quadratic polynomial, therefore given equation 2x minus 1 x minus 3 x plus 5 x minus 1 is a quadratic equation. Right? Sum number 6. x square plus 3x plus 1 x square plus 3x x square plus 3x plus 1 x minus 2 the whole square x square plus 3x plus 1 and x minus 2 the whole square, x minus 2 the whole square. Therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x square middle term 4x perfect square इसीलिए this is the perfect square. Change the side of all of these. X square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So x square और x square cancel हो गया. 4x and 3x 7x and 1 minus 4 minus 3 that is equal to 0. Which type of this polynomial? Linear polynomial. So since 7x minus 3 is a linear polynomial, therefore given equation, which equation we have given? x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square is a linear equation. Is a linear equation. This is a linear equation. Sum number 7. X plus 2 whole cube we have to write here. Sum number 7. 2x plus whole cube x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x x square minus 1. X plus 2 the whole cube and 2x x square minus 1. X square minus 1 क्यूब वाली फॉर्मूला याद है कि भूल गए? क्या याद है? a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. क्यूब की फॉर्मूला a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, then what is formula of a minus b cube? That is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Clear? अच्छा, a cube plus b cube को दूसरी फॉर्मूला से कैसे लिखते हैं? Like this. a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube. So a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. A plus b the whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b minus 3ab square minus b cube. कैसे? प्लस माइनस. नेगेटिव में क्या करना है? प्लस माइनस लाइक दिस. a कैसे हो गया? a क्यूब. फिर a का एक पावर कम हो जाएगा, b का पावर बढ़ जाएगा 1 हो गया. a का एक पावर कम हो जाएगा, b का बढ़ता जाएगा. a का कम होता जाएगा, पावर b का बढ़ता है. a क्यूब a स्क्वायर a and 0. देन b रेज़ टू 0. b का कोई पावर नहीं. 1 2 and 3 ऐसे कर. हमें फार्मूला याद है, राइट? सॉल्व हमें ये सम करना है. x plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. इसका क्या होगा? x cube 3 x square 2 plus 3x 2 square plus 2 cube that is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. x cube 3x square कैसे आगे क्या होगा? x cube plus 3 to the 6x square plus 4 3s are 12x plus 8 equal to 2x cube minus 2x. राइट साइड में से लेफ्ट साइड में ले आओ. Therefore x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Like term x cube minus 2x cube minus x cube 6x square नहीं है लाइक टर्म 6x square 12x plus 2x 14x plus 8 equal to 0. Which type of this polynomial? Polynomial with power 3. Otherwise you can say this is cubic polynomial. So since minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 is a polynomial with power 3, a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Therefore, given equation x plus 2 the whole cube, x plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x x minus 1 is a cubic equation. Correct? 8 number. Sum number 8. Okay. Sum number 8. X cube minus 4x square. X cube minus 4x square. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. X cube minus 4x square minus x is equal to this. So ये पोलिनोमियल को हमें सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट ओपन करना है, फिर साइड चेंज करनी है, फिर बताना इक्वेशन का क्या करना है। देख लो x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 that is equal to x cube that is equal to x cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3x 2 square minus 2 cube. Correct? 2 cube minus plus minus. Okay. Therefore, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 6x square 4 3s are 12x minus 8. सबकी साइड चेंज करके यहाँ आ जाए x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 equal to 0. Minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x is equal to this. Therefore, x cube cancel. Minus x square and 6, so 2x square minus x and this minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Minus ये कौन सी पोलिनोमियल? So this polynomial, since 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is a quadratic polynomial. Therefore, given equation x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole cube is a quadratic equation. Is it clear? Simple है ना? Yes. Question 2. Represent the following situation in the form of the quadratic equation. ये इसको quadratic equation में बताना है, खाली 4 सम है, उसका सॉल्व नहीं करना है। प्रॉब्लम सम दिया हुआ है आपको, जैसे 8th में नहीं आता था बिगिनिंग में कि प्रॉब्लम सम दिया, उसका खाली इक्वेशन बनाना है। ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं करना है, खाली आपको क्वेश्चन क्या है, रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, फर्स्ट वन, क्वेश्चन 2 फर्स्ट वन. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. देखो रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट है, इसका एरिया बता दिया है, एरिया इज इक्वल टू 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. एरिया 528 मीटर स्क्वायर बताया. द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट इज 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. द लेंथ ऑफ द प्लॉट in meters is 1 more than twice the breadth. Let breadth is equal to x meters. Therefore, length is equal to, the length of the plot is one more than twice the breadth, one more than twice the breadth, length of the plot is one more twice the breadth. अगर आप इसको x लेते हो, this is 2x plus 1, length is one more than twice the breadth. breadth क्या दिया आपको? x है, हमने breadth को suppose x किया, तो length क्या हो जाएगी? one more than double the breadth. breadth को double कर दो, फिर 1 कर दो. so area is equal to 528. area is equal to L into B is equal to 528. L हमने क्या सपोज किया? 2x plus 1. breadth क्या है? x, that is equal to 528. therefore 2x square open the bracket plus x is minus 528 is equal to 0. एक साथ कर दिया, 2x square plus x minus this. therefore this is a required quadratic equation. This is required quadratic equation. उसने जो quadratic equation पूछा है, this is required quadratic equation. Which one? 2x square plus x minus a. Second, the product of the two consecutive positive integers 306. We need to find the integers. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Product of two consecutive product is equal to 306. Right? Question में दिया. Let the two consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. Two consecutive integers are x and product of them is 306. Product is equal to 306. X into x plus 1 is equal to 306. 306. Therefore, x square plus x is equal to 306. Therefore, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Thus, the required quadratic equation is x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Third one, हमें खाली क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बना के छोड़ देना है. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Product of their ages after 3 years. Product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now is 360. Let Rohan's present age. Let the present age of Rohan is equal to x years and present age of his mother is x plus 26 years. क्या पता है? Rohan's mother is 26 year older than Rohan. Rohan x year का है तो उसके मम्मी क्या हो गए? x plus 26 years. Present age of Rohan is x years and present age of his mother is x plus 26 years. क्वेश्चन में और क्या होता है उसने? 3 years from now, after 3 years, age of Rohan is x plus 3 years and age of mother, his mother, age of mother 26, x plus 26 plus 3 years, that is equal to x plus 29 years. After 3 years Rohan is x plus 3 years and mother is x plus 29 years. Then Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages is 360. Product is 360. Product is 360. Therefore, Rohan की एज x plus 3 है, मदर की x plus 29 है, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 360 होता है. After 3 years, Rohan's age is x plus 3, mother is x plus 29 and product is 360. Therefore, open the brackets. X square plus 29x plus 3x plus 9 3s are 27 2 6 87, that is equal to 360. Therefore, x square plus 32x 29 plus 3 plus 87, change the side of this, minus 360 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 32x minus 3 minus 3, then 5 3 and 15 7 and 7 and 273, that is equal to 0. 360 minus 7 5, 360 minus 7 is equal to 3, and 15 minus 8 7, then 273. So thus required quadratic equation is x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Next one. Last one. A train travels distance 480 km. A train travels. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें, ठीक है चलो. Fourth one. A train travels a distance 480 km in a uniform speed. A train travels a distance 480 km in a uniform speed if the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have the 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. The train travels the distance 480 km at a uniform speed if the speed had been 8 km less. So difference is 3 hours. So suppose आपको A to B प्लेस पे जाना है और डिस्टेंस है 480 किलोमीटर. A प्लेस से B प्लेस थ्रू ट्रेन जाना है, 480 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है. Distance is equal to 480 kilometer. Case 1. Let the speed, usual लिखा है ना, क्या लिखा है उसने? Train travel the distance uniform speed. Let the speed of train is equal to x किलोमीटर पर आवर. हमारी ट्रेन की स्पीड x किलोमीटर पर आवर है, डिस्टेंस है 40 किलोमीटर. सो 480 किलोमीटर. सो टाइम कितना लगेगा? टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. देयरफॉर टाइम इज इक्वल टू 480 upon x hours. 480 upon x hours. Case 1. Case 2. Distance 480 same. Speed of the train is equal to x minus 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. हमारी ट्रेन की स्पीड कम होगी. क्या लिखा है? If the speed had been 8 km less, then what have taken 3 km cover the same distance. अब क्या है? डिस्टेंस तो पता है आपको. टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड, दैट इज इक्वल टू 480 अपॉन x माइनस 8. दिस इज टाइम ऑफ सेकंड पे. पहले टाइम क्या लगता था? दिस वन. Difference between time, difference in time. So difference in time is equal to 3 hours. Which one is greater? This one? Yes. सो पहले सपोज आपको 10 आवर्स लगते थे, अभी 13 आवर्स लगते हैं, तो क्या करना है हमको 13 माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 3। पहले आपको 10 आवर्स लगते थे ट्रेन में क्योंकि स्पीड x किलोमीटर की थी, अभी स्पीड रिड्यूस हो गई है, रिड्यूस हो गई तो टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे 480 अपॉन x माइनस 480 अपॉन x माइनस 8 480 अपॉन x माइनस 8 480 अपॉन x is equal to 3 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 480x minus 480 into x minus 8 equal upon x into x minus 8 is equal to 3. Open the bracket, इसको उस साइड ले जाओ. So 480x minus 480x plus 0 8 8 is 64 6 32 32 38 8 8 0 8 8 is 64 6 8 4 is 32 32 plus 3 6 38 is equal to 3x x minus 8. It will be cancelled. 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 8 8 12 8 8 is 24 24x 8 is 24x. Therefore change the sign. 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. Right? 3 से divide कर दो. So x square minus 8x minus 1 3 2 is 6 3 2 is 6 8 3 is 24 equal to 0. This is the required thus required quadratic equation is x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Exercise 3.1 is completed. Okay, समझ में आया सब? Okay, bye.